Hello my dear students from grade 6. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our new video lesson. Topic 14, Lesson 3, Surface Areas of Pyramids. My dear students, kindly pay your attention to the following instruction from the teacher. Instruction number 1. Study the video lesson very well. Instruction number 2. To complete your assignments as per the weekly plan, log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Alright. Before going, dear students, bring out your textbook, copybook, pen or pencil, and highlighter pen. Thank you. Alright. Review questions, today. First review question, are you ready? Very good. Select all the expressions that can be used to find the surface area of the rectangular prism. With bottom side 12 cm by 8 cm and height 5 cm. You have the following choices. 12 times 5 plus 12 times 8 plus 5 times 8. 2 times 12 times 5 plus 2 times 12 times 8 plus 2 times 5 times 8. 12 times 5 times 8, and 2 times the whole of 12 times 5 plus 12 times 8 plus 5 times 8. Which would be your answers? Very good. The correct answer is the second and fourth choices. Why? A rectangular prism has 3 identical pairs of rectangular faces. A bottom and a top faces. 2 side faces and front and back faces. So we need to find the area of each pairs and then add. As there are 3 such identical pairs, any of the following will be true. Either we need to multiply 2 by each area and then add, or add the 3 areas and then multiply the total area by 2. Okay. Good. Now, our second review question is: find the surface area of the rectangular prism. Dear students, pause the video now, make the answer on your copybook carefully, and once you get the answer, come back to the video. Okay, time's up. What is your answer? The surface area of the prism is 108 square feet. Okay, who is going to explain our answer? Good. It is a triangular prism. It has 2 identical triangular bases, each has a base length 4 feet and height 3 feet, and 3 rectangular faces which are not identical, also all the 3 are different rectangles with sides, 3 feet by 8 feet, 4 feet by 8 feet and 5 feet by 8 feet. Area of the triangle equals 1/2 bh equals 1/2 times 3 times 4 equals 6 square feet. Area of rectangular faces equals 3 times 8 plus faces equals 3 times 8 plus 4 times 8 plus 5 times 8 equals 24 plus 32 plus 40 equals 96 square feet. Total surface area equals 2 times 6 plus 96 equals 12 plus 96 equals 108 square feet. Alright? Dear students, for more review questions, you need to log into your account on pearsonrealize.com. Take printout, try to find answers and keep the paper in your portfolio. Submit your work to the teacher later. Thank you. Alright my dear students, now, we are properly on our lesson. Our objective today. We can draw a net of pyramid and find its surface area. Again, we can draw a net of pyramid and find its surface area. Very good, let's go. To solve and share question now. Now, we have a question here, for which you should find the answer, and share your answer with me. Our question is: the fence around Marcy's house has decorative tops in the shape of square pyramids every 6 feet. She paints every side of each top a different color. How much total surface area does Marcy need to paint? Solve this problem any way you choose. You can use tools, such as grid paper and a ruler, to make a net. Decorative tops are in the shape of square pyramids with base sides 4 inches and slanted height for the lateral triangle is 7 inches each. Now area of the square base equals 4 times 4 equals 16 square inches. Area of triangle equals 1/2 times BH equals 1/2 times 4 times 7 equals 1/2 times 28 equals 14 square inches. Surface area equals 16 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 equals 72 square inches. So Marcy needs to paint 72 square inches for each decorative top. Great. Okay, dear students, now let's find the answer for look back. Our question is: the fence in the backyard also has fence tops shaped like pyramids. They are 2 inches greater on each side of the square base and the triangular sides are 7 inches high. How much paint does Marcy need to paint all sides of one of these fence tops? Very good. The surface area would be 120 square inches. How? Fence tops are in the shape of square pyramids with base sides 2 inches more, which will be 6 inches. The slanted height of the lateral triangles is the same, which is 7 of the square equals 6 times 6 equals 36 square inches. Area of triangles equals 4 times 1/2 BH equals 4 times 1/2 times 6 times 7 equals 4 times 21 equals 84 square inches. Surface area equals 36 plus 84 equals 120 square inches. Good. Now, let's watch a video on how can you find the surface area of a pyramid. Are you ready?
How can you find the surface area of a pyramid? Think about this question during the lesson. Maxwell made a model of a house using a cube for the bottom and a square pyramid for the top. He wants to paint the top of the house a different color. 1 tube of craft paint covers about 20 square inches. How many tubes of paint does Maxwell need to cover the top of his model?
The faces of a pyramid are triangles.
What information do you need to solve the problem? You need the dimensions of the square pyramid. You also need to know that 1 tube of paint covers about 20 square inches. Here is one way to solve the problem. Draw a net of the square pyramid. Find the area of the square base, B. Then find the area, A, of each triangular face. Then find the sum of the areas of the base and the faces. What is the surface area of the pyramid? SA equals 9 plus 7 5/10 plus 7 5/10 plus 7 5/10 plus 7 5/10 equals 39 inches squared. Maxwell needs 2 tubes of craft paint. How do you know that Maxwell needs 2 tubes of paint? 1 tube covers about 20 inches squared, so 2 tubes will cover about 40 inches squared. 2 tubes are enough to cover 39 inches squared. Here is another way. Because the side lengths of the base of the pyramid are all equal, you can use the formula SA equals B plus, open parenthesis, N times A, close parenthesis, to find the surface area, SA, of this pyramid. Evaluate the formula. B equals the area of the base of the pyramid, 9. N equals the number of faces, 4. A equals the area of each triangular face, 7 5/10. Maxwell needs 2 tubes of craft paint. Now you know how you can find the surface area of a pyramid.
Alright, dear students. Now tell me the answer for this question. Suppose Maxwell also wants to paint 5 of the 6 sides of the bottom of his model house. How many tubes of craft paint does he need to cover the model? Explain. Very good. Maxwell needs 6 sides of the bottom cube need to be painted. So the area that needs to be painted is 20 square inches. The total area that needs to be painted is 20 plus 39 equals 59 square inches, so Maxwell needs 3 tubes of paint to cover the model. My dear students, kindly pay your attention to another example on page 721. How can you find the surface area of a pyramid that has an equilateral triangle as a base? Draw a net. If you know the faces are equilateral triangles, then you just find the area of one triangle and multiply by 4. Find the area of each triangle, t. T equals 1/2 times 5 times 4.33 equals 10.825 square centimeters. Then find the surface area, SA, by multiplying the area of one triangle by 4. SA equals 40, 10.825 equals 43.3 equals 43.3 square centimeters. Good. Now guided practice, first part, do you understand? Question number 1. Each side of the base of a square pyramid is 4 inches and the height of each triangular face is 5 inches. Draw a net for this pyramid and find its surface area. What is your answer? Very good. 4 times 4 equals 16 square inches. Area of triangle equals 1/2 times 4 times 5 equals 10 square inches. Surface area equals 16 plus 4 times 10 equals 16 plus 40 equals 56 square inches. Now guided practice part 2, do you know how? Number 2 now. Draw a net of the triangular pyramid and use it to find its surface area. What is the answer? Excellent. 249.6 square feet. Let us the net that I drew. Okay, dear students, independent practice now. Read the direction, in 3 to 5, find the surface area of each pyramid. I will give you 5 minutes to find the answers of all questions from independent practice. Are you ready? Good. Your time starts now. Time's up. Stop writing. Now tell me your answers. First, number 3, very good. 340 square feet. Before giving me the answer for number 4 and 5, let's watch a video.
We can find the surface area of a square pyramid. Start by using this grid to draw an accurate net of the pyramid. First, draw the base, a 6 by 6 square. Each side of the pyramid has a height of 4, and each side is a triangle. Now we're ready to calculate each area. The base is a square. Its area is its length times its width. 6 times 6 equals 36 square inches. Next, we'll find the area of a triangular face. To find the area of a triangle, we use the formula 1/2 times the base times the height. So, we calculate 1/2 of 6 times 4, which means each triangle has an area of 12 square inches. Now all we have to do is add the areas to find the surface area. And we find that the surface area is equal to 84 square inches.
Alright dear students, now tell me the answer for number 4. Very good, 36 square meters. Now, what is the answer for question number 5? Excellent. 110 point. Next, let's solve some problems that involving solid figures. Let's open page 722 now. Are you ready? Very good. Okay, question number 6. Ken drew a square pyramid and its net to represent a patio umbrella. Complete the net by filling in the mist on the net properly. Very good. Okay, now let's solve question number 7. Use the net to find the amount of fabric Ken needs to make the umbrella. Excellent. Ken needs 39 square feet of fabric. It is the surface area of the umbrella. Area of square equals 3 times 3 equals 9 square feet. Area of the triangle equals 1/2 times 3 times 5 equals 7.5 square feet. Surface area equals 9 plus 4 times 7.5 equals 9 plus 30 equals 39 square feet. Alright. Let's solve question number 8 now. The area of this triangle is 48 square feet. What is the height? Repeat. The area of this triangle is 48 square feet. What is the height? Very good. 8 feet equals 48 square feet. 6 times h equals 48. H equals 48 divided by 6. H equals 8 feet. Very good. Now question number 9, it is an higher order thinking question. Are you ready? Okay. How many surfaces does a pentagonal pyramid have? Describe the shapes of the surfaces. Again. The base of a pyramid can be any polygon. How many surfaces does a pentagonal pyramid have? Describe the shapes of the surfaces. Very good. A pentagonal pyramid and one pentagonal base. Now, let's do question number 10. What are 2 ways you can represent the number 125 using the number 5? Yay, excellent. 5 to the power 3 or 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, now question number 11. What is the term used to point where 3 or more edges meet? Very good. Vertex. Okay dear students, now tell me the answer for 12, our today's last question. Which net represents a pyramid? Great. Letter A. Only net A is a pyramid. It is letter B for a triangular prism and letter C also for another triangular prism. Good. Okay dear students, we did it. It is the end of our today's lesson. I hope you understood all the facts we discussed in this video lesson. So, try to solve the questions on pages 723 and 724 of your math textbook. Thank you.